looks sharp. Fill in that gap, that empty gap. Yeah, let's check this out. Obviously this is for the rear door sill, but look at that. Oh, this is why I love carbon fiber so much. It's just so like 3D. Real carbon fiber, my friends. Yeah, we got the double-sided tape on here already. That is really nice. No, there's one. We've got some adhesion promoter. Okay, that's nice and good to use. Yeah, man, it looks good. All right, and yeah, obviously install is going to be super easy on these. This is just kind of going over it here just to look at the quality. I'm not seeing any flaws anywhere in the carbon fiber or the finish on it. All of these pieces just look, you know, really good. Here's what I've found with the adhesion promoters. Get everything ready. So first we're going to do the isopropyl alcohol. Then we're going to take the backing off of all of the tape. So these are going to be like ready to go. And I think I have another one of these. I think they sent 2 of them. I can't remember, but either way, these dry out really quick. So you got to wipe everything down that you're going to wipe, and then you have to put these on there pretty quickly afterwards. You can't wait around a long time. And these dry out. That's the other thing. They don't go very far. They dry out very quickly. So you got to have everything kind of ready to go. If you're going to do 2 at a time, if you're going to do all 4, just get everything ready to go, including taking the backing off the tape. Sometimes that alone is a challenge. And then press them on there, and really that's all you got to do. It's going to be that simple. But yeah, well, let's get them on the car and see how they look. On the back door here, it's a little bit different because we don't have a door sill to put this to. We don't know exactly, so like exactly where does this go? Well, there's a lot of variability here. So it does start curving up, and you don't want it where it's curving up because then it won't stay down as well. So what you can do is you just kind of feel it out. You feel where it starts curving up, and you just get a spot like right in here, you know, eyeball it, get some blue painter's tape and kind of outline where I want it to go. But you can see, you know, you've got this line here to go by to make it straight. So again, I'm just going to put some blue painter's tape down there and mark it off where I want this thing to sit, because obviously once you pull the backing off the tape, get it all prepped and stick it down, you're not going to be able to move it around too much. So all right, let's get that set. Got the adhesion promoter on there. All right, I wanted to take these off first before I did that, and I forgot. I'm not even listening to myself. Let me get the backing off, and then we can we'll stick this sucker on there. Okay, it's touching, but it's not, I haven't parsed it down, so I can still move it a little bit. And that looks pretty well lined up with everything. So you start pressing down, and the way this tape works best is you give it at least 30 seconds of hold time, and as long as you're at like room temperature, after 30 seconds you get about 80-85% adhesion, and then in the next 24-48 hours you get the you know, you're up to 100%. But if it's colder though, it will take longer for this stuff to stick. Door sills, you know, not that critical, but yeah, it can be an issue if you've got you're trying to put something on your car that's and it's cold out. It's something like a spoiler or something. Fill in that gap, that empty gap. Very nice, very nice. All right, let's just kind of, so I'm going to look at this side, feel that out. Start from the center, push out. Ooh, man. Oh, that looks sharp. All right, let's hold this down again, 30 seconds. Oh yeah, look at that. Man, that looks sharp. It's so much better than just Model Y. Add to the collection, the carbon fiber collection. Man, way better.